Hey guys, so I have been saving up my Lush empties for a couple of months now. If you didn't know, they have a little thing on the back. So it says, bring it back, give me new life, return this packaging to any Oz/NZ Lush shop and receive money towards your shopping. Alternatively, return 5 qualifying items for a free fresh face mask. So I've got my bag here of them. So I've got a few different ones. So I have 5 that say that message, and then I have 5 that say not virgin, made from 100% recycled plastic, bring back 5 clean pots or tubes with this logo and get one fresh mask free. So I've got 5 of those, and then I've also got some shower gels that just say recycle the top in your local Lush store. So I'm really I've got my eye on the Halloween collection, so it'd be nice if realistically all of them could be used for money towards my shopping, but we're gonna go find out. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, so we're back from Lush now. Excuse the way I look disgusting. I just had a bath. So we went to Lush, and then we had a gender reveal party to go to, and then we also just went to my sister's for a little bit. So we went to the Lush, and the lady in there was so super nice. So I was able to trade in all of my empties that I had. So I had 12 total, because I had 5 that had one that like had that bring it back thing. I had 5 that had that not virgin thing, and then I had 2 that just had about the like recycling on the top of the lid or whatever. But she said that anything over 45 grams they will swap for like money towards your shopping, or you can swap 5 of them for a fresh face mask. So I just want to have a quick look at something, because it says something about getting like fresh face masks, but I think, hang on a second, I'm very confused, I'm very sorry, wait a second. So yeah, their face masks look to be around $18. So basically every container that you bring back is worth $1. So I got $12 off my shopping today because I had 12 products, but the face masks are $18, and you can swap 5 of those containers for one face mask. So pretty much you're getting an $18 product for like, we're getting it for free because you're swapping the stuff, but also like you only have to use 5 of your containers to get one. So if you bought something, that'd only be $5 off your shopping, but if you get a face mask, then it's like you get something for free for $18. Does that make sense? So if you are after the face mask, that's probably a little bit more bang for you know, a little bit more, but I wasn't really interested in the face masks. There are some that I want to get, but today I just wanted to get some of the Halloween stuff. So I didn't actually go crazy in there. I thought I was going to get a lot more, but I didn't, because sorry, I need to like, I'm going to show you what I got, but I need to like see my camera somewhere. But yeah, I decided, you know, not to go crazy, because I kind of just wanted to go in there to see actually like how it worked, how much money you got back, and I mean how much money you got off your shopping and stuff. But anyway, so the first thing that I got was the Barbie Dream Sugar Scrub. So this is their collab with Barbie. This smells so good. It says scrub up with swirls of sweet sugar and a fruity lemon lime scent. Oh, it smells really, really good. It smells like something I've had from there before, but I don't know what. It's really good though. And it's really pretty. It's got like, it's white and pink swirls. So that was the first thing I got, and then I just got 2 lip scrubs from their Halloween collection. I got Wednesday's Child is Full of Boy, which I just thought was super cute. It says fascinated by gloom, moody, dark, mysterious and sombre. It smells really good though. I think it smells like bubblegum lips, toothpaste. Do you guys ever remember when you were like younger, having that toothpaste that was like blue, and it was like made for kids and stuff, and it was like bubblegum flavored? That's what this smells like. It's really nice. And then the last thing I got was another lip scrub, but it was the candy corn one. This, it just says a classic Halloween sweet treat. I'm very undecided on how I feel about this, and Cade was the same. It's like one part of it smells really nice and then the other part smells really weird, so like it's really weird, but I like it. It's like sweet, but there's something else to it. I don't know, it's very weird. But yeah, anyway, so that was everything I got. I know that this was a bit of a random video, but I just wanted to show you how these look. Little candy corn. But yeah, I just wanted to, I thought this would be a fun video. I don't know if a lot of people know that you can bring back your stuff to Lush to get money off your shopping, whatever. And the thing is, if you've got the containers and stuff there, like, you might as well take them back and get yourself a little bit of money, you know, every dollar helps. So but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully it wasn't too random, but yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.